Hi everyone, welcome back to a new vlog. Hope you all are doing well. This month has been a mix of many things. We moved out of our apartment after 1.5 years, made a short surprise trip to Qatar to meet family, then started setting up our new villa. That's rented one. It was a little busy, a little emotional, but also very special. This vlog includes mainly the moving and getting settled. Hope you will enjoy watching this video. After a year and a half in this apartment, it's time to move on. This place has been good to us, cozy, familiar, full of memories. But lately, we have felt the need for more. More space to breathe, more sunlight to wake up to, more room to grow. So, you're packing it all up and moving into something new, a rented villa that already feels like a fresh start. Moving can be a bit crazy. Packing things, lifting boxes, going back and forth, it's a lot. But every time I carried something to the new place, it felt exciting. I badly wanted to move to that point to rearrange a one floor home, which is a new experience for me and also for all of us. Leaving one place behind and slowly stepping into a new one. Before we fully moved into the new house, we took a short break, and you must have seen it in my previous vlog. It was a surprise visit to Qatar to meet my parents and my brother and his family. That was a quick visit, yet a memorable one. Though it was just a 5 day visit, it felt like we spent more time as we were at home most of the time rather than roaming around the place. After we got back from Qatar, our furniture arrived. We had bought a few pieces a few weeks earlier, and seeing them finally come in felt exciting. Slowly, the new place was starting to feel like home. That's my empty kitchen right now and the cluttered storeroom here, which is dumped of all the stuff. It will soon be reorganized once we move in. Yes, it's a rented place, but at the end of the day, home is not about ownership. It's about the comfort, the love, and the people in it. And for us, this place is already starting to feel just right. Also, I had ordered many items from Temu, and one of them is this package that includes a kitchen sink organizer. The previous one wasn't of that great quality and it rusted quickly. This time I have a double sink, so the length needs to be a bit longer. I found a two-tier option as I have fewer cabinets in the kitchen here. The countertop is also limited, so I need more of that vertical space. And finally, the day we were moving. The house is almost empty. The movers came home very early, and half the items were gone in just a few hours. When they were moving, we all went for a breakfast. That's an organizer I bought to keep my accessories. All these short clips that you see in this vlog looks incomplete as the villa isn't completely set, and with an infant at home my work is always delayed. I'll show each one later when I organize it fully.
Can you do the sign for open? Open. Try it. Open.
Once everything was in its place, I started doing a bit of decor. I have been seeing this wooden panel decor on many pages on the net, so thought to give it a try. Bought it from Temu and it was a perfect color I wanted. In the flat, everything felt close and compact. It was easier to manage, and we had so many memories there. But here in the villa, there's more space, more light, more coziness. The kids have more room to play or to spend their time, and I get to enjoy small things like a cup of tea sitting on the steps outside the kitchen, or watching the birds tweet, and also watching my kids' school bus picking and dropping them. It's a different feeling and a good change for us. Remember this macrame which was left incomplete a long time ago when we were in our first flat here in Oman, and it was left in the cabinet till now. Hopefully, I would finish it soon. If you are a mom or if you have small kids at home, be it your niece, nephew, or anyone, you must be knowing Baby Shark. They are celebrating their 10th anniversary, and as a part of that, they send this lovely gift for baby Lian. It's a special 10th anniversary gift box featuring a limited edition Baby Shark liquid vinyl. Just an unboxing of it. I was not having an idea of what this is, or I rather say, I wasn't even able to figure it out as Lian wasn't allowing for it. So I thought I'd wait for my elder boys to come back from school so that we can do it together. Baby shark? Baby shark? And yes, back to the gift unboxing. They have this mirror to take a selfie with Baby Shark. They have the Baby Shark music on this mini vinyl. And here is a Baby Shark toy for Lian. You just have to tap the vinyl on top of your phone and the web opens a link for their music playlist. And yes, that was a lovely, thoughtful gift for Lian from the team. Thank you, Baby Shark, for this lovely surprise and for being a part of Lian's childhood. Like always, I use the Petty Crocker Ready Mix to make brownies. And to be honest, I have never made brownies from scratch. This mix has always been a quick and easy fix. Weekend mornings are for slow, simple breakfasts. Today we had Kerala Puttu with banana, one of our comfort meals. It's easy to make, fills you up, and just reminds me of home. From moving to a new space to sharing small moments with family, this vlog had a bit of everything. Thank you for watching and being a part of our little journey. See you all in the next one. And yeah, until then, take care. Bye bye.